I'm excited. I'm here with Ellen Jaffe Jones, and we're at Ionie's. So, Ellen, tell me a little bit about Ionie's.
Well, she's been here a long time, and we'll have to find out exactly how long, but she is such a staple of the Sarasota restaurant community, vegan or not. She's just this holistic restaurateur with all the things that she offers here besides just amazing raw food. I think most of it's still raw, if not all of it, but it's just delicious and just wonderful.
So, obviously, raw is vegan.
Yeah.
So, this is attracting the vegans. It's kind of a community of vegans that come here on a regular basis.
Yeah, I mean, before COVID, it was hopping for vegan meetups, and there would be 40 or 50 people sometimes here in this building of just vegans or vegan wannabes, and I went to a number myself here, and just was always blown away by the way they could accommodate the crowds and the quality of the food. It was so good.
Right, fantastic. So, a little more about you, Ellen. I mean, eat vegan on $4 a day. You're a vegan icon here in not just our area, but throughout the United States. And so this is a place that you obviously recommend.
Oh yeah, I mean, my heart is really here, and if you're looking to get energy, I just saw a video this morning from Dr. Brooke Goldner, whose work I followed, and she was had a green smoothie, and she was kissing it because she was supposed to be dead at 20 from lupus, and she just celebrated her 43rd birthday. So, as I like to say, results are typical. Ask your doctor if plants are right for you. Last night, I just finished placing in my 229th 5K or longer race for my age group since 2006, just on plants. And so many people are doubtful that you get enough energy, enough protein, and it's all very possible. And I keep trying to spread this message out there just so people will understand it's not rocket science. And when you understand where the money is and how much money supports the meat and dairy industry, there's no money in broccoli, as I said in my first book here. So that's really why you have to do your own reporting. But the meetups they have here are fabulous, just really a fun place to meet other kindred spirits and like-minded souls. So if you're in the Sarasota area, even the birds are flocking to this place.
So today we're going to go to a vegan meetup, and we're at Ionie. So somebody wants to get involved with becoming a vegan. Obviously, this is a good way to start making friends and finding your community.
Absolutely. I mean, all you have to do is Google, go on the meetup sites, look for vegan options in Sarasota. Facebook has Veg Sarasota and the Sarasota Vegan Society. Those are the two main groups that I think are active now. And spread the word about these meetups. People are always asking, how do you find out? Well, you do have to do a little bit of digging, but certainly just connect with some of the people maybe that you see on these pages, and they're more than happy to answer any questions you might have.
Have you made friends through vegan meetups?
Well, as a matter of fact, I have some of my best friends on the planet.
That's fantastic. Ellen Jaffe Jones, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hey, Eric, so you work here in Ionie's.
Yep, I hope Ionie.
How long have you been here?
I've known Ionie for probably like 5 years. I just started helping her do the juice for the market.
Fantastic.
On Saturdays and Sundays. I don't know, a few months.
So tell me about Ionie's.
Oh man, this is 100% the best place you can come to if you're looking for a way to feel good inside.
Yeah.
I believe. I think Ionie is the picture perfect example of what she does here in the business as far as health and wellness, taking care of herself, living in the moment, providing her body with nutrients, all organic. Special place, special person.
Fantastic. So the essence of Ionie is obviously it's not just a restaurant, it's...
Correct. She does the retreat here and massages and health and wellness. I personally don't know as much about it as some of the employees here may.
Right.
I focus more inside the cafe. I love being here. I don't work here full time, but I love to help Ionie. Ionie has great energy. I think what she does is what she believes in, and every product that she puts out is she's putting in.
Excellent. Tell us about the food.
Food, excellent. I think it's some of the most creative food around the town, considering that it is raw. I think it can certainly take someone by surprise when they hear about eating a completely raw meal, but I do think that she has elevated this cuisine with a bit of expertise over her years of being raw as well. I think there's a lot of unique flavors and a lot of unique textures that some may not think of when they think of raw food. I think she just does a great job. You know, she makes what she likes to eat, and I think that's what it's all about.
Fantastic. Thank you for your time. And again, your name is?
Eric Decker, Chef
Eric Decker.
Thank you, my friend.
All right, thank you,
Yes.
Chef. Hey, I'm excited here to be with Paul. Paul, tell us a little bit about yourself and your involvement with the vegan community here in Sarasota.
Well, I always hate that question, so I'll just talk about the group.
Okay, very good.
It's Sarasota Vegan Society. It's community building for the vegan movement in our area. It's kind of general, specific at the same time. Lots of changes going on. Groups going from a social group, at least from my choice, to more vegan activism and things. So we'll see a lot more of that coming out. I don't know if we're the first or the only one group, a vegan group that's had a newsletter. So we do have a monthly newsletter going out every month, 6 to 8 pages, supporting the Florida Rights and Nature Network right now. Of the last 2 pages that are used as a tear off for people who want to join that movement as well, because you know, if you're for the animals, you're for nature.
Right.
So today we're here at Ionie's for our July outing event for the Summer of Raw. Ionie's is a organic raw vegan. We have 20 plus people today. I think there's some more people showing up that, I don't know, it's bonus. It's bonus day.
Well,
it's going to be pretty awesome.
You're a busy guy, Paul, and thank you for your contribution here for being a vegan and all the good things that come with that. So,
we also do our monthly, we don't do potlucks because we haven't had them since the pandemic started. So we do a monthly vegan picnic, kayak tour / trail hike / barefoot beach walk. Sometimes it's a combination of all 4 of those things. So get on the Facebook group page for Sarasota Vegan Society, and we'll get to hang out and, you know, build the community.
Thank you, Paul. Appreciate your contribution.
Thanks for it.
I'm here with Paul, and Paul, you're a big fan of Ionie's.
Yes,
Why?
absolutely.
Why?
Because it's absolutely organic and absolutely fabulous.
Excellent. So you're a big advocate for health and the planet and all the good things that
Yes.
come with eating
I'm
well.
a tree hugger,
You are a tree hugger.
without a doubt.
Well, great. You're an inspiration here in Sarasota
Thank
too.
you. Yeah.
In
thanks.
so many ways.
different ways. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, you're always free to speak the truth, even though it makes other people mad, right?
Oh, well, you think? Just a little bit.
A little bit.
Just a
sometimes.
little bit outside the box.
A little bit outside the box.
Just
which
a
is,
little bit,
Which
yeah.
is what makes you so special. So,
Yeah.
it's always good to see you, Paul.
It's good to see you too. It's been
All
so
right.
long.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, thanks.
I'm here with Janae. Janae, we are at Ionie's today at a meetup. So tell me a little bit about your vibe of why you're here.
I'm here because I'm raw vegan, and this is a raw vegan get-together, so it's very exciting for me.
How long have you been vegan?
I've been vegan since 2011,
Okay.
and raw mostly since about 2015.
Okay.
And Ionie's has to be one of the best places around. Delicious
For
food.
raw vegans, that's it.
Yes.
Well, thank you for being here. Now, the vegan meetups, do you find that they're helpful in your journey of being vegan?
I don't know if they help me be vegan. I'm vegan for the animals, but they do help me at least associate with like-minded people.
There we go.
So I've met some friends. I enjoy the outings that have been planned lately. We go kayaking. We've been doing that the past few months, and I've attended all but one because I was out of town, and I enjoy that. Lately we've been hiking as well. And
Awesome. Well, you know, they say your vibe attracts your tribe, right?
exactly. I'm looking forward to going to Woodstock Fruit Festival next month.
Yeah. Very, very good. Well, thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
All right.
I'm here with Zane. Zane, I know you are vegan, correct?
I am, yes.
How long have you been vegan?
Since 2004.
And
Yeah.
tell me about that journey.
Well, it was an interesting journey because initially I started off vegetarian in high school, and that was just an internal feeling that I felt I needed to do for myself. Plus, I was very lactose intolerant. I was into sports, so this just didn't mesh well with my activities. Especially, I'm a long distance runner, so I needed something. Anyway, so it didn't really fit with my activities, as I mentioned. So in college, I was introduced to veganism by a friend of mine, and she showed me some slaughterhouse videos, and I was blown away by what took place. within this industry. I was completely clueless, so that immediately changed my mind, and I knew it was the right thing for me to do. And ultimately, my goal is to become a raw foodist completely. But veganism is very sustainable for my life, and I love it.
Excellent. So how important are the vegan meetups to you?
Wow, I love them. It's a great way for me to connect with like-minded individuals. It's not something I get to do at all during the day, except for my wife. And it's great to just see what people are doing in the industry or in the community to help the industry.
Very good. Thank you, Zane, for
of course. Thank you.
your time. Appreciate it.
My pleasure.
How are you?
I'm good. How are
Good.
you?
Tell me about why you're here. We're at a vegan meetup.
Okay, well, I love raw food.
Yeah.
I'm trying to go raw.
Okay.
And I wanted to bring a friend of mine actually to introduce her to not only veganism, but the raw food lifestyle. Yeah, I don't know. I just love raw food. I love Ionie's, and I love what she's doing here in Sarasota.
So you're a big fan of Ionie's restaurant?
Oh my God, yeah. The fact that she sources most of, if not all of her produce from local farmers is absolutely amazing to me. I don't know of any other place that does that, really. Yeah.
That's fantastic. Thank you for sharing.
Yeah, you got it.
Okay.
Thanks.
You're gonna acknowledge people and say hi.
Yeah.
Right? You're gonna say nice things.
I'll tell them. Time to come right now.
Ha ha ha.
Let's go. It's now.
She's worried about her makeup
Olga.
at a vegan restaurant.
Come on, Olga.
Yay! Hello. Oh my gosh.
Oops, keep up. I've only had 3 hours sleep.
All right, got it. I heard you've been up since 1. Juicy.
Right. Okay. Now coming. Where are they?
They're getting their makeup on.
Wait, come on. No. I told them you'd be back. That's cool.
Okay, everybody, I want to introduce you to the chef, or one of the chefs. And this is a pre-up.
Yeah.
Ionie's on
Hopefully
her.
the ladies are gonna come up, and
They're-
they are the ones that produce the food.
Right.
I am happily here to help. I am a chef, and there's no better privilege to feed you today and work for Ionie. And for these young ladies that are shy to come, but they are definitely the ones that put on the show today, and I think they definitely deserve a round of applause. And,
If they come up.
make them feel good.
If they come up.
Yeah, hopefully it was good. I'm sure it was. I haven't
All right.
decided.
We acknowledge the chef, Ionie, but we want to acknowledge you. And who do we have the pleasure?
Come on. Come on. Please me.
Come
Thank
on.
you. So I just want to say that it really wasn't fair because I was at the market all day.
What time did you wake up, Ionie?
12:55.
12:55 yesterday to start juicing at 1 o'clock today.
Well, no, it's 12:55 today. So it's 5 minutes to 1.
Okay, 5 minutes to 1. Then you start juicing, and then you go to farmer's market. Then you sell your juice. Then you come here, and then here we are.
Then I visited a customer at the hospital.
Literally 12 hours later,
Yes.
or 14 hours
Yes.
later. So you're ready for bed.
What time did I go to bed? 9:30. So, I just really wanted to say though that, I mean, we had the best day. This man here, he's all superheroes wrapped
Superhero.
in one. Because he gets up with me and we juice and he smiles all day. And then, but these people, I did not have to worry one single bit today because I knew that my team,
Yay!
I knew that my team, I literally, unless I'm just crazy, but I didn't think 1 minute to worry about today because these people are just so amazing and so heartfelt. And what they did today, I was so proud of them because they went beyond. So I just wanted to, that they got the recognition because they totally deserve it. That's all. So that's Jen, Olga,
the ones that are not photographed. Okay, Olga.
So if you're done with any plates, just push them to the side and then they'll.
Well, Ionie, let's all just give a round of applause to Ionie for her heart and all the good things that you do for us, Ionie.
Okay, so I'll just say one more thing because this is just like my thing now because I am so honored that because I don't really think of myself as a vegan the way that you know it's a different for me. Since I was 16, I wanted to do health for people, and it was just on that journey that I discovered what was happening to the planet. You know, not just us, but to the animals and to the planet. And so I feel like I'm in a still like health. I want to, you know, but does everybody here do you do it for the animals or for your health or for who does it for the animals?
All of the
They're all just as you're all passionate about. Oh, okay, then I'm okay. Oh, okay. I thought I was like out here on this limb, you know. And I see some faces here, like Troy. I remember when we just opened, and just about every morning, Troy would come and pick up his juice, and he comes to the market, and he's just so inspiring. And so I just want to say thank you for that.
I met my girlfriend here. Thanks to you,
girlfriend
Ionie.
here. Yeah, still hasn't paid me for that yet.
I met her here when I was married.
Okay. So I just want to say thank you, and I hope everything was good. And
delicious as always. Yeah.
thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Ionie.
The support is, as you know, just so appreciated. We couldn't keep going without, one. So I just want to say thanks and come back again and tell some
Thank you, Ionie. With that, we sign out. If you like this, hit the like button and certainly hit the subscribe button. And we look forward to seeing you on our next video. Signing out.